much money can you make on Social Security in 2023 if you are age 64? How much can you make in 2023 if you're on Social Security disability? You get where I'm going. These numbers all change for 2023. What you need to get is our Social Security and Medicare updated for 2023 cheat sheet. It is free. It can be a little complicated on how to get it, so I'm here to show you how to get it. If you're watching my videos here on TikTok, on Instagram, wherever, and you're learning about retirement, I know a lot of you are, a couple years early, and you're like, I'm learning a little bit at a time. You need the cheat sheet to follow along with the videos. To cross-reference, it'll make more sense as you're getting this retirement education. For free, all I ask is that you hit the subscribe button. Okay, so go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. And when you get here, at the top it says resources. Click on resources, then you go down and it's going to say 2023 cheat sheet. Click on the cheat sheet. And I'm asking them to make it a little bit easier to find. But for right now, that's how you get it. Then it'll bring you here. You have to put in your name and address, and your name and email address. Everybody hates to give their email. If you don't hate to give your email, you should hate to give your email. Because many companies, I would say the majority of my competitors, will sell your email because it's worth a lot of money to have emails of people that we know are on Medicare. We do not sell it. It's in the disclaimer here. We do not sell it. We do not give it away. We do not trade it. We are only going to do what we said we were going to do, which is subscribe you to our newsletter, which if you don't like our newsletter, the content, you can unsubscribe at the bottom. So that's your only obligation is you get subscribed to our newsletter. Then it says download now. It won't download now. I've told my son 100 times. You try to tell your son something. It does not download now. It will automatically go to your email address. So put your email in there. It'll go to your email address. If you don't see it immediately in your email, because I've had a lot of people say it didn't show up. We've had like 8,000 or 10,000 of these go out. So it's an automatic program. If you don't see it, it's because it was trapped in your spam folder. So go look in your spam, your trash folder. The email will be, you can search at the top, hello@themedicarefamily.com. If you still can't find it, just call us and we'll just email it directly to the old-fashioned way. Now let's go into the cheat sheet and what's on it. So as for Medicare, it's going to show you what the deductible increased on Part A, what the deductible decreased, never going to happen again, enjoy, for Part B, what the Part B premium for the standard person decreased, never going to happen again, enjoy. That's all up here. Now, over on this side is the IRMA, the high earners tax, my rich people tax. Those of you that are trying to get ahead of this and learn about Medicare early, you can look at it and extrapolate how much it goes up every year. But again, you don't know for sure because this is based on your income from 2 years prior. If your income from 2 years prior as an individual was over $97,000, you don't have to pay extra. If it was under, if you're over 97, but under 123, then you're going to pay an extra $230 a month for your Part B. You'll pay an extra $12 a month for your Part D. So this tells you what your extra payments are going to be. And a lot of people do not understand this rich person tax. And they're like, why are they taking all this money on my Social Security? Go look at this chart. If you're getting ready to retire in the next couple of years, and you're one of those people that likes to get ahead of this, and you're looking at this and you're saying, maybe I don't want an extra job. Maybe I don't want that bonus. Maybe I don't want that extra bit of income because it's going to then force me and my spouse to pay extra for Part B and for Part D for a whole year. Medicare does recalculate this every year. These numbers do go up every year. So that's on here. If you keep going down, it'll talk about when your full retirement age is for Social Security. People still, by and large, think it is 65. It is not 65. That law was changed by Ronald Reagan. So it's a sliding scale between 66 and 67. And yours depends on the actual month and year that you were born. This is your full retirement age. You got to know that to understand your rights with Social Security. And the shortcut is when you reach your full retirement age, You can make as much as you want for the rest of your life. They will not reduce your Social Security. If you're under your full retirement age, now you have the income limits. It's updated here. For 2023, you can make $21,000. It's a little bit more than that. $21,000. If you go over the $21,000, let's say you're 62, for every $2 that you go over, they're going to reduce your Social Security by $1. So I have people that take Social Security. They can't wait. They're excited about taking Social Security, and then they're making 80 grand, and they get no Social Security, and they just messed everything up. So if you're in that ball game or you know somebody that is, tell them to give us a call, the Medicare Family. There's an opportunity we might be able to unravel that mess. If time's gone on too long, we can't. But those facts and figures, dates and deadlines, percentages are very critical to your retirement planning. So download the cheat sheet, study it, follow along with our videos. It's going to be really helpful. If you need help with your Medicare, call us at the Medicare Family. We're licensed in all 50 states. You don't pay extra for our services. So if you need help with Medicare, you know somebody that's getting ready to go on Medicare, or they have a question whether they should go on Medicare, you don't pay for our consultation. Call us, email us. We're here to help. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.